everyone, and welcome back to English with Victory. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For the other videos I've done, I'm sure that you have learned something interesting. But if this is your first time, then you need to go back and watch them. As I always say, it's important how you say what you say. More importantly is the fact that you have to keep watching these videos over and over and over again to help your pronunciation and communication skills. On today's episode, I will be taking you on an interesting journey of two vowel sounds. Both are monophthongs. They're single and pure vowels. One is short and the other is long. What a day. Please stay with me. I'll be right back. Let's get started on today's lesson. So, two sounds which we make lots of mistakes about. They are E and E, right? They are both pure vowel sounds, but have been contrasted a lot. So let's see how to use them properly. Bit, bit. B-I-T. Beat, beat. B-E-A-T. How about chips? I love plantain chips. C-H-I-P-S, chips. And then cheap. The plantain chips are not cheap, right? Fill. Fill the bucket with water. F-I-L-L, fill. Feel. I feel good. F-E-E-L, feel. Ship. I have never been on a ship before. True confession. Right? S-H-I-P is ship. And then the animal. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep. Right? Sin. You've committed a grave sin. S-I-N, sin. And then seen. S-E-E-N, seen. I have seen a dog, of course. There are dogs around. Sit. Sit. It's a verb. S-I-T. Sit. The action. Sit. And then the noun. Seat. S-E-A-T. Seat. Sit and that seat. Sit and that seat. Right? So sit is a verb. Seat is a noun. Finally, tin, a tin of milk. Tin, T-I-N, and then teen, T-E-E-N, T-E-E-N, teen, teenager, all right? So, bit, beat, chips, cheap, fill, feel, ship, sheep, sin, seen, sit, seat, tin, teen. I'm sure you've learned something today. Don't forget to look up new words from the dictionary and check out their pronunciation, how to say each of those words. They're being transcribed. Every word is transcribed. Make sure to take notice of those words and how they're transcribed so you can say them properly. Thanks for staying with us today on English with Victory. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. Also, please share this video. Your friends and family members, loved ones need to know what is going on here in English with Victory.